Good morning. During this time of COVID 19, I'm trying to practice quietude, patience, relationships, and creativity. And how I'm practicing quietude, I'd like to show you a little bit. Sitting outside in the nature, having a nice warm glass of water with a lot of lemon and honey, which is going to help me boost my immune system to fight COVID. And the other thing that I'm doing is I'm reading this little book of values. And I thought, while I was reading this book, that I must share these values with all of you. And maybe this is the time when we'll be able to put together our emotions, our values to be better citizens. So today's value is cooperation. Let's show some patience and sometimes tolerance when working in a team. Team at home. Now, team at home means with your mom, with your dad. Take up small little things, help them. That is a team. Team at school. With me, with your teachers. When your teachers are assigning some work, let's get together as a team and take our learning forward. Team as a country. Now, when I say team as a country, here we need to show huge amount of cooperation because this is the time when we all together as a team can fight this virus, build our immune systems, and get back to our normal life. What are we going to gain out of practicing cooperation? It helps in developing confidence. It helps in our self-esteem, building our self-esteem. It also helps us to become better listeners. And listening always improves our learning. So with this little note, have a great day.